what's up YouTube? Welcome to Lando Tech. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install Windows 8 Release Preview on your desktop, laptop, or tablet PC using a USB thumb drive. So Windows 8 Release Preview is the unfinished version of Windows 8. The final version comes out sometime next month, but Microsoft has been nice enough to let us use this version totally for free in the meantime. So Windows 8, it's really great to use on a tablet, also great to use on a tablet, laptop hybrid, not so great to use on a desktop. The reason being is because they've gotten rid of the start menu and they've replaced it with a Metro style touch-friendly start menu. This is really great to navigate with your fingers, not so great to navigate with your keyboard and mouse. So if that hasn't scared you off, if you're still on Team Windows and still down for the installation, then I'll show you what you need to get started. So one of the tools you'll need, Windows 7 USB DVD download tool. I'll put the download link for that tool in the description box. Another thing you'll need is a USB stick with at least 4 gigs of memory available. And lastly but not least, you'll need the Windows 8 Release Preview ISO. You can download that from Microsoft's website. I'm going to do that right now. So I've just navigated to the Windows 8 Release Preview website. Once you're here, you're going to want to scroll down, click on Get It Now. Scroll down again, you'll see two options. One option for 64-bit download and the second option for 32-bit download. Now, if you're not sure what kind of CPU you have in your machine, the best thing to do is go into the system properties of your existing installation of Windows, and it'll tell you right there whether you're using a 32-bit version or a 64-bit version of Windows. And depending on that, then that's what you're going to want to download. So I've already did my downloading, so I don't need to do anything else. But if you guys haven't downloaded, you can go ahead and do that and resume the video when you're ready. So you guys have successfully downloaded Windows 8 Release Preview ISO. Now for the next step, which is to download the Windows 7 USB DVD tool. So like I said, I'm going to put that download site in the description box. I've just navigated to the Windows 7 USB DVD download tool site. Going to scroll down. This is where the download link is. Once you click on that, it's going to prompt you to download it. Right, I've already downloaded it, so I'm going to skip that step. It's not a big file, so you probably don't even need to pause the video to follow along with me. I'm going to go ahead and close out of here. Like I said, it's already been downloaded. I'm going to navigate to that directory. We're going to run that file. And this takes a little bit to install. I don't know, it's a really small file, but for some reason it takes a while. So I'm going to pause the video. I'm going to resume when it's done. Alright, so once that installation of the Windows 7 USB DVD download tool is complete, you're going to want to launch it. Let me just type in my password there. Alright, and at this point you're going to want to make sure that your USB stick is inserted in your USB slot. Click on Browse. And you want to navigate to where you downloaded the Windows 8 Release Preview ISO. I have it in this directory right here. Select the ISO, click on Next. You're going to want to choose your media type. For this tutorial, we're going to do a USB drive. So we'll select USB device. And this is where my USB device is. Has 12 gigs free, way more than 4. So that looks good. We're going to begin copying. and it's just going to warn you that it's going to erase everything that's on your USB. So if you do have stuff on it, back it up to a different location first and then proceed with this. Luckily, I don't have anything that's valuable on here, so I'm going to go ahead and erase everything. Okay, so while that's going, I'm going to pause the video and then we're going to come back when it's done. Alright guys, so if everything went according to plan, you should have seen something that said USB boot device created successfully or something along those lines. Once that's done, you're obviously going to want to close that window. You leave your USB device in the USB slot, obviously, because we're going to need that to boot up. Click on Start. You're going to restart your machine. When it comes back up, select USB boot device. That's what you're going to boot from. Once you do that, you follow the prompts to install Windows 8, and it's as simple as that.